Hello everyone, IEEE RAIT is back with another striking technical video. Here we are going to simulate an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser without using any microcontroller or Arduino. In this current scenario of global outbreak, it is advised by WHO, that is World Health Organization, to maintain healthy hand wash and sanitation habits. But the main problem is the way we do it. We always have to physically touch the hand sanitizer bottle to wash our hands, which can be a trouble in this pandemic situation, where the COVID-19 virus can stick on surfaces and unknowingly you might get infected just because of a sanitizer bottle as you're touching it every time you come from outside. Therefore, for this situation, we are going to simulate an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. So in the project, we are using components: an IR sensor, a 10K resistor, a toggle pin, a BC547 transistor, a relay, and a motor. Before starting with the project, let us know what is an IR sensor and how it works. An infrared sensor emits or detects infrared radiation to sense its surroundings. The working of any infrared sensor is governed by three laws: Planck's radiation law, Stephen-Boltzmann law, and Wien's displacement law. The basic concept of an infrared sensor, which is used as an obstacle detector, is to transmit an infrared signal. This infrared signal bounces from the surface of an object and the signal is received at the infrared receiver. By this concept, the sensor will identify our hand, which is an object, and will run the motor directing to push the head of the sanitizer. So now that we know the working of IR sensors, let's start with our simulation. Let's add the components in the Proteus software. First, we'll add the IR sensor. With that, we'll add our 10 kilo ohm resistor, a BC547 transistor for regulation of current, a diode for unidirectional current, a relay as a circuit breaker if there is any abnormal current detected, and finally a motor, which will be used to push the head of the sanitizer. As this is a simulation, the IR sensor can't detect the motion. So for the detection purpose, we are using a toggle pin. To finish this up, let's connect all the components together with the power and ground wherever required. Now that our project is completely wired, let's simulate our project and we can finally see the outcome. This is all about the automatic hand sanitizer dispenser in Proteus without using any microcontroller. We hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to us for more amazing videos in the future. Thank you.